Open your eyes to a location so great, a lifestyle so gracious that will enthrall you, a layout so grand that will fascinate you, the interior so glamorous that you cannot take your eyes off. We proudly present to you Chaurasia Manor Phase 2 with 4G that is great, grand, gracious and glamorous living experience. A fourth generation project that fulfills your dream of owning a one-of-its-kind home. Chaurasia Manor Phase 2 is our vision to provide you with premium upmarket homes creating unrivaled benchmarks. Each apartment has been entitled to ample parking space in the basement. Our 6-passenger high-speed automatic lifts, 2 for each block, will take you to your abode with paramount convenience. Each of the 3 blocks is unique and different from the rest. Our 3 blocks, the Great, the Gracious and the Grand, are planned to personify their names in every way. We have put all our efforts to give you a sublime experience of living in a paradise. The Great G1, which is the Block 1, has well-lit corridors and independent entries to each house. The Gracious Block, which is G2 or Block 2, is specially designed to make sure the units do not share the common walls. The Grand Block, which is G3 or Block 3, is uniquely made with an emphasized entry into the block, terrace gardens for penthouses and sitting areas in the lobby. All the 3 blocks are Vastu compliant and the wind movement predominantly from southwest to northeast will always leave you contented with abundant fresh air for the major part of the year. We have given into the smallest of details to provide you with ultra-modern amenities that match with the best of global standards at affordable prices. We ensured all the fittings and finishes have a touch of class by using top-grade quality materials to embellish your home. Enjoy the luxury of space with abundant light, air and ventilation. We also provide you with a host of other facilities, that is, outdoor activities like swimming pool with a toddler's pool, jogging track, and children's play area. And our indoor activities include spa, gymnasium, beauty salon, library, daycare, and squash court. Other features include concierge and bell desk security, intercom facilities, a well-advanced power backup system, solar system, water treatment plant, and rainwater harvesting system. Sajjapur Road, where Chaurasia Manor Phase 2 is established, has premier educational institutions, cinema theaters, supermarkets, multi cuisine restaurants, multi specialty hospitals, and shopping centers, etc., just around the corner. It is time you embrace a quality of life you have always desired for. Come, make yourself a part of this unique experience and feel complete in this elite neighborhood.